So this thing lets you monitor your PC, control your desktop, turn your PC off and on, and even play little games on it. Let's unbox the Cololight desktop controller that Cololight sent me. Now, I'm a huge fan of great packaging. I feel like it adds to the overall unboxing experience, and this one feels super nice and high quality right from the start. Let's go ahead and open it up. First thing I see here are some stickers, it looks like. I might actually use these. The great reveal. Oh my god, this thing looks super cool. Now let's do a sound test. Looks like we've got a USB-C port where you plug it in. The bottom has like a nice little rubber padding to it so it won't be sliding all over the place. Let's turn this thing on. It gives us a little message and then prompts us to do the settings, like language and time zone. It's not up to date, so let's go ahead and update it to the newest version. The first thing I noticed is that when you twist this knob, it actually changes the volume on your PC. I'm honestly not too sure how I got here, but somehow I'm playing this little dinosaur game. If you know, you know. Some of you have to know what this game is. And I get to monitor how many subscribers I have, which, by the way, I'm trying to hit 5,000 by the end of the year if you all want to go ahead and help me out. As you saw before, I'm able to actually monitor my PC, which is super cool. And there are a bunch of different keypads that let you control your desktop, like for example this one, next, previous, pause, play. There's a bunch of different watch faces you can put if you want to look at the time. And then obviously it lets you change the colors and effects for the lighting. Mine is going to be set to purple. And the craziest thing about it, I think, is that you're able to turn your PC off and on with this. There is a YouTube controller option, which lets you go back and forth and pause the video, or skip, typical stuff you'd do on YouTube. And you can actually even customize the background to whatever you want, which is super cool. Right now this is what I have mine on. There are so many cool things that you can do with this thing, but if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I try and make this stuff as short as possible so I don't waste people's time. With that being said, I guess I'll see you on the next one.